Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to explore bitwise operations in Java. Bitwise operations are fundamental for low-level programming and can optimize performance when working with binary data. Whether you are building a game, working with graphics, or dealing with hardware-level programming, understanding bitwise operations can be extremely valuable. Uh, First, let's break down what bitwise operations actually are. Bitwise operations are operations that directly manipulate individual bits of data. As you may know, computers store all data in binary format, which consists of ones and zeros. A bitwise operations works directly on these bits. In Java, there are several bitwise operators, each serving a different purpose. So this table, in this table we are going to show you all the bitwise operators one by one. First one is the AND operator, the NOR operator, then the XOR operator, then the NOT operator, which is the negation operator, then left shift operator, the right shift operator, and finally the unsigned right shift operator. Let's start with the bitwise AND operator. It has an AND symbol. This operator compares corresponding bits in two numbers. It returns 1 only when both bits are 1, otherwise it returns 0. For example, if we perform 1010 and 1101, the result will be 1000, which is 8 in decimal format. Next is the bitwise OR operator. This operator returns 1 if either of the bits is 1. For example, if we are doing an OR operation between 1010 and 1101, the result is 1111, which is 15 in decimal. Then the bitwise XOR operation, which is called XOR or exclusive OR operation. This operator returns 1 only when the bits are different. So if one bit is 0 and the other is 1, it will return 1. So for example, for 1010 and 1101, the result is 0, 1, 1, 1, which is 7 in decimal. Then the next is the bitwise NOT operator. It is a little different. It inverts all the bits. So 0 becomes 1 and 1 becomes 0. For NOT of 1010, the result will be 0101, which is 5 in decimal. Now let's talk about the shift operators in Java. We have three types of shift operators: left shift, right shift, and the unsigned right shift operator. These operators move bits to the left or right, effectively multiplying or divide by powers of 2. So let's start with the left shift operator. This moves bits to the left and fills in zeros from the right. It's like multiplying the numbers by 2. For example, 1010, if we'll do the left shifting of 1, the result will be 10100, which is 20 in decimal. And the next is the right shift operator. This operator moves bits to the right side, essentially dividing the number by 2. For 1010, if we are right shifting for 1, the result would be 0101, which is 5 in decimal. Then the unsigned right shift operator, which is similar to the right shift, but instead of preserving the sign bit for negative numbers, it fills the leftmost bits with zeros. For example, 1110, if we'll be doing unsigned right shift operation for 1, the result would be 0111, which is 7, even though the number was initially negative. So what are the practical use of bitwise operations? Bitwise operations are often used in real world programming. For example, you might use them for tasks like setting flags, creating bit mask, or optimizing performance for low level operations. So here we are using it to setting a flag. You can use this bitwise end to check whether a specific flag is set in a collection of flags. Then conclusion, to recap, bitwise operations are powerful tools for manipulating data at the bit level. Java's bitwise operator and or, exclusive or, not, and the shift operators are all useful in different scenarios. These operations can help optimize performance in certain applications like game development, system programming, and working with binary protocols. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like for more programming tutorials. See you in the next video. If you want to reach out to me, you have multiple options. You can email me at aditya@cloudnativejourney.in. You can message me or WhatsApp me on my mobile number, and you can also reach out. You can see my programming blogs on cloudnativejourney.in, where I regularly post different articles, and you can also connect to me on my LinkedIn profile. Thank you guys.